Okay, this is a review on the GiveBest heater. This thing is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, first of all, it puts out an enormous amount of heat. Like, my hand is about 2 feet away, and I mean, if I hold it there, it'll eventually get too hot and I have to move it away. So I mean, and the thing about it is you can't even hear it run it. P3 is the highest setting on heat, which there's 3 of them, but P1 being the lowest. And also it's got an app. I mean, and what gets me is here's the remote. Here's the remote that comes with it. This remote, it even glows in the dark, and I get that. So if everything's, you know, lights are out and you can't, gets cold and you're trying to find the remote, it glows in the dark, which is totally awesome. I didn't even know that till the other day. But this remote, I mean, the heater to me is not cheaply made. Like, everything about it is, I mean, they put some money in this thing, so it's definitely, you get your money's worth. So the remote is pretty simple. This cuts your screen off on. That's up and down on your thermostat, you know, and these 3 little buttons, that right there, controls where you swap from eco to heat to fan. But what gets me is, like, it's got an automatic thing on this to help the longevity of the heater, to where when you cut it off, it still runs for like 30 seconds, which cools the heating element down, so it don't just, you know, it just kind of runs air across the heating element for like almost a minute to cool it down slowly, so your heater will last longer. But I mean, I'm very impressed with this heater, so this is just a review. Anybody who's looking at this, maybe thinking about buying one, it's definitely worth it. The only downfall about this heater that I don't like is it says it comes with legs. Well, the legs only get it like just barely off the ground, which I'm not, you know, that doesn't bother me that bad. But because the heater and the app on using the Wi-Fi on this thing, I mean, it's awesome. Like, the Wi-Fi app on here, it's very easy to use. But all in all, you buy a heater for heat. You know, that's the only reason I bought this. So to heat my room, it heats. It's easy to use, and also, if you got it on eco mode, what it'll do is, if the temperature is above, if you got it set on 69, if it's 70 in the room, it'll keep kicking on the fan to try to lower the temperature. So that's pretty awesome. The fan will just it'll kick on and off to try to cool it down to 69, if you get what I'm saying. But that's about it, guys.
Light off, light on, automatic off, or if you light off, all of it. On, automatic.